We like to think of ourselves as an information system in the sky. What basically EAM and DINGS does, it brings all that together into one screen so you can make your assessment quickly.
When you get a drone, you think you're going to use it for maybe 1 or 2 or different 3 applications, but you end up finding new applications to use it for daily. We have thousands of assets that are keyed into the enterprise asset management system. From a safety chair perspective, you know, I think about all the injuries, and a lot of those are people falling off ladders. If we could even reduce that just 50%, that would be saving us millions of dollars.